Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy and Inspire. This is my second video on quarantine time. In my previous video, I just shared a few things that you can do with your family members together. You can check it out here. In this video, I am going with the remaining. I have made the content into two parts, especially for children and parents. Let's start. Before going to start this one, I just want to share one thing. So children can do all these things not only in quarantine time but also in other holidays. First of all, schedule your day according to the things mentioned below. First one is time to spend with your family members. Second one is time to spend with yourself. Observe carefully. So time to spend with your family members. As mentioned in my previous video, try to spend with your family members by watching movies together, eating together, working together, and reading books together, and so on. My suggestion is try to avoid using your mobile phone while spending with your family members. Of course, I know this is not possible for you, but give a try. Second one is time to spend with yourself because enjoyment and success comes only when you have a good relationship with yourself. Here again I have divided into three: enjoying time, creativity time, and career time. Let's see what is an enjoying time. Generally, all the students plan their holidays according to here watching TV, mobile games, spending in social media, sleeping, hang out with family and friends. So many students enjoy by doing all these things. So they spend watching movies for so many hours and mobile games like Ludo, Hago, PUBG, and so on, spending in social media like Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, and trying to impress others. And some children love to spend their time in sleeping, and some children hang out with family and friends. So this is the way they schedule their holidays. My suggestion is come out of all these things and think about some crazy and creative things like this. Start practicing yoga. If you don't have a habit, make it now. This is the perfect time to get started. Yoga also calms the mind and keeps you fit. And paint your dreams. Gather all your painting equipment. Do experiments of your dreams. You can also learn painting, photography, and many courses from online. Next, try to nurture a plant at home because it keeps your mind grounded and helps you to feel fresh and alive. Start nurturing plants like health beneficial vegetables or whatever you want and try to spend with your plants. Next, read a book because reading a book gives endless of knowledge to us. So there are many books like motivational, spiritual, fictional, self-helping books. Finally, a good book can definitely transform you to do something. So don't wait. So try to play board games like Ludo, chess, caroms with your family members and your siblings. Last but not least, clean your closets and help your mother in kitchen. Next, we will discuss about career related things. Start your day by setting new goals because setting positive goals helps you a lot in your growth. Try to learn new languages. So these languages helps you to open up with new avenues and you can add them in your resumes. So enroll into different online courses like subjects related to you and knowledge based or technical based or whatever you want. So watch a documentary. So watching a documentary helps you to understand the present scenarios. So watch documentaries like scientific documentaries, inspiring, technology based or your interest. So study books of your subjects. And last but not least, go to old age homes and orphanages. Of course, it is not possible in this quarantine time, but you can use this opportunity in your normal holidays. So try to spend with them. It helps you to understand their lives and it cultivates an attitude of servicing and definitely your presence makes them happy. In this presentation, I just mentioned a few things that what you can do in these holidays. So you can do many more things, list out all the things and try to do it. In this session, I have mentioned a few points for parents. So my suggestion for employee parents is try to spend more amount of time with your family members and children, because in your daily routine you don't get this chance to spend with them. So try to spend with them a lot and concentrate on your health and fitness. At the same time, make time for yourself. It is very important to spend with you. So my suggestion is list out all the things what you wanted to do from childhood, like painting, poetry, novel writing, reading a novel, and all this. My suggestions are get relaxed by reading a novel with a cup of tea, watch movies together with your partner. So try to learn new things related to your profession and career, and list out all the things what you wanted to do in future and career. I hope this video is useful for parents and children to utilize their time in quarantine time. Thank you.